Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. I will be explaining this question in this video. The question says that the velocity v of the water waves may depends on their wavelength lambda, density of the water rho and the acceleration due to gravity g. The method of dimensional analysis give the relation between these quantities as option A v square is equal to k lambda inverse g inverse rho inverse. Option B v square is equal to k lambda g. Option C v square is equal to k lambda rho g. Option D v square is equal to lambda cube g इनवर्स रो इनवर्स वेयर के इज डायमेंशनलेस कांस्टेंट। तो हमें क्वेश्चन इस तरह से पूछ रहा है कि एक वाटर वेव है जिसका वेलोसिटी v है, उसका रिलेशन हमें बताना है वेवलेंथ, वाटर डेंसिटी और एक्सेलरेशन ड्यू टू ग्रेविटी के फॉर्म के अंदर। तो पहले हमें सभी चीजों का डायमेंशन पता होना चाहिए। तो लेट्स राइट डाउन द डायमेंशन फॉर वेलोसिटी, दैट इज l t minus 1. Next one is wavelength. Wavelength is measured in meters, so it will be l. The next one is density. Density is mass by volume, so m by volume, that is L minus 3. Now the last one is acceleration due to gravity, that is meter per second square, so L t minus 2. So we found out the dimensions of all of them. Now we'll write down a formula, that is V proportional to lambda to the power A, rho to the power B and G to the power C. Now we'll write down the dimensional formulas and try to compare the powers, that is LT minus 1 for V, that will be equal to lambda, that is L to the power A, rho, that is m L minus 3 to the power B and L t minus 2 to the power C. Now let's try to simplify it. That will be m to the power B, L to the power A minus 3B plus C, and for t it is minus 2C. On the LHS it is LT minus 1. So now here I don't see any m, so here it's m to the power 0. So here it's m to the power B, so what I can write down is V is equal to 0. Now for t, what I can write down is minus 2c is equal to minus 1, which says that c is equal to 1 by 2. So we found out the value of b and c. Now we'll substitute the value of b and c in the power of l and we can find out the value of a. So let's try to do that. l की पावर क्या दी हुई है, a minus 3b plus c is equal to 1. यहाँ पे l का पावर 1 है, राइट. 3b ये पूरी टर्म 0 हो गई, so a plus c is 1 by 2. This is equal to 1, so a का वैल्यू हो जाएगा 1 by 2. So we found out the value of a as 1 by 2, c as 1 by 2 and b as 0. So let's substitute the value here. तो जो है v का इक्वेशन हो जाएगा v proportional to lambda to the power a, that is 1 by 2, rho to the power b is 0 and g to the power c, that is again 1 by 2. सो अगर हम इसको सिंप्लीफाई करना चाहें तो अगर प्रोपोर्शनलिटी सिंबल निकालेंगे तो फिर k डालना पड़ेगा और यहाँ पे रूट में है तो विल स्क्वायर बोथ द साइड्स, सो v स्क्वायर प्रोपोर्शनल टू लैम्डा g. यहाँ पे जो रो है उसका पावर 0 है तो इट विल बी आउट ऑफ द पिक्चर नाउ. सो नाउ प्रोपोर्शनलिटी सिंबल इक्वल टू में कन्वर्ट करते हैं तो k लैम्डा g. सो लेट्स सी कौन सा ये ऑप्शन है. सो इट्स ऑप्शन नंबर बी, v स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू k लैम्डा g. So the final answer to this question is option B, v square is equal to k lambda g. So the final answer to this question is option B, that is v square is equal to k lambda g. I hope you understood the explanation. Thank you.